Hi guys, so the question is clockwork. I mean, in simple terms, if I explain you, there is a line of n clocks with in each clock the time is different. Okay, uh, what we have to do? We have to make sure none of the clock in the n line reaches the time 0. Okay, each of the clock time decrementing by 1. Okay, so we have to make sure we will hover. I mean, we'll go there forward then backward. Okay, this is the algorithm how is working: forward then backward, forward backward, forward backward. Okay, to make sure the clock none of the clock reaches the time 0. Okay, so how we'll going to do that? I mean, see, for the test, we have what we have to output. You have to understand, we have to output. Is it possible that make sure is it possible to make the n number of line of clock, make sure they never reach the time 0? Okay, if it's possible we output yes, if it's not we no. Okay, like for example 4 and 3. Okay, both time decrement by 1. Okay, so it will become 3 and it will become 4. Okay, no, 9. So we hover to second index, reset it, it become 10, it will become 2. Okay, we hover back, we reset it, it will become 2, it will become 9. Okay, so we can do this infinitely and it will stay non-zero. Okay, but in 2 it's not possible. It will decrement by 1, then we'll hover to index 2, reset it value, it will become 2, but the index at 0 it will become 0. Okay, so it's not possible. You can see in this test case also. So how we are going to solve it, I have already written the code, as you can see. So yeah guys, what's happening, let's understand. There are n number of clocks. We have assigned a bool possible true if the clock can stay infinitely non-zero. Okay, for that we declare a x where we take the clock current time, then we declare a need okay, to in this to multiply with max I comma n minus 1 minus I after the bracket plus 1. Okay, if x is greater than need, I mean, like for example for 4 and 10 I have taken the, like for example, let's run to 4 and 10. Okay, there is a issue. I mean, yeah, come on. You know guys, there is a little bit issue in my lazy-win config. I will resolve it quickly. Let's run it again. Come on, 2060. It takes a little while to compile nowadays because of lot of RAM. Okay, so we executing the code 1 2 4 and 10. Okay, yes, the output is yes. Why? Because we can make sure this n number of line of clock will stay non-zero for infinite. Okay, how we are doing? We have assigned bool is equal to true, taken the x is equal to 4. Need what we are doing, 2 multiply max, so 2 multiply to 1 plus 1 is what, 3. Okay, 3. So if in this test case 3 is less than what? Okay, need is it is something like 3 4. It's false, so possible will stay what, true. Okay, for 4, and same will go with 10. 10 is also what, not less than 3, so it will also stay true. So then we'll output the possible using ternary operation, and the output will be what, yes. Okay, so that's how the code is working. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section. I will definitely try to reply it and explain it more further. There may be doubt, but yeah, thank you for watching.